Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Let's get into this jacket. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut this jacket in half, and then I'm going to proceed to the sleeves by cutting those off. Alright y'all, this is after I bleached this jacket and then ripped it, and now I'm going to use this dye right here and kind of put it here and there, maybe everywhere, I'm not sure. But after that process is done and it's dyed, then I'll come back and show y'all that. Alright y'all, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the sleeves on this little sweater, and I'm going to go ahead and I believe start crocheting them, because I'm still waiting for my jacket to get done. So I'm gonna go ahead and have the crocheting out the way, and then after that I am going to sew this to my jacket. So let's go ahead and get the cut. I'm talking crazy. Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. No, I wouldn't wanna be. Then my body says, my jacket came out. Y'all look close up. It has some light pink in there, but this is how the tie-dye came out. And this is one of the sleeves. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put this on the inside of here, and then I'm going to sew it around. Don't mind this right there, I'm going to fill that in. I just need to sew this down first so I know where to like stop. But we're going to go ahead and get that process done right now. Sleeves on, and this is how it's looking so far without it being done. But whenever I come back, y'all, this thing gonna be bomb and rocking and done. So yeah, it's gonna be looking like this from the sleeves, and I got a little cute outfit to go with it, so you guys are gonna see that as well. So let's go ahead and finish this out. Alright y'all, this is the finishing look of it.